Even Zunxumalo's Mama song, I'm the one who produced that song. I'm the one who wrote the lyrics to that song. I only told him how to sing that song. Album yo Thukuthela, the most wanted album. I wrote all those songs. I wrote those songs. I produced those songs. Ingakho leza ingoma production yakhona nale ngoma leya Kabs ngiyozama indaba ekwiMavis yaThokozini yini sohlala sisonke yaThokozini production iyafana cause I'm the one who produced those songs. Ingakho leza ingoma ine message bra, it was written by me, one person. Ingakho ifana angeke mfethu abantu abawu more than 4 benze production eyodwa. It's impossible, dog. Only one person can do that, and it's me. And I want my fucking money. Ngiyayifuna imali yami, ngiyayifuna. Zinxumalo broke through ngey'ngoma zami ey'bhalwe yimina. She's using my production, dog, my technique. Kodwa still, they don't want to give me my money. Hayibo mfethu, I want my money. Serious nje mfethu, oseduze ukwatira, amtshela imali yami ngiyayifuna mina mfethu. I want my money, bra. Khathele ibona mfethu lokho bebalekana imali yami, lokho ekuthiwa imali yase-Afra ipheli. Imali enjani engapheli? Ngoba nidla imali zethu, ingakho ingapheli. Ngiyayifuna mina imali yami. Oh, Distraction Boys bathatha unyaka ngengoma yami. Even Zunxumalo bathatha unyaka, I think ngefomu. I'm the one who wrote ifomu. I'm the one who wrote amagiya. I only told her how to sing it, dog. And I also sent her voice notes telling her to laleliso Gold Max no Thokozini kuze bezoyiproducer kahle. I'm the one who's behind all those songs. Literally every song that you hear on the radio, every song that you guys lezi ey'thandwa abantu, imina oyiproducayo, imina owayibhala leza ingoma. Every song, dog, Palisa, I'm the one behind that song. It's me. Zonke bra, Snokonoko, what's this? Stands leso El Chapo. I'm the one behind that. Imanzinteyo Maporisa. I'm the one behind those songs. Kwana le ngoma esanda kuphuma le yapori le noThukuthela. Ayibo, imina lo yaculayo lapha. Akuyena uThukuthela, imina oculayo lapha. Kodwa imali yami ngiyitholile, bro. Like, bra, I'm not getting my credits, I'm not getting my money. Nginike nogodwayo, ngifuna imali mina. I don't give a fuck about the fame. I don't care about being famous. You can keep the fame. Give me my money. Tshele ngiyotira fethu belethe imali yami fethu. Yabo. Anko waful dog leya ngoma izenzele. Imina oculayo lapha ekuqaleni ethi kudala bazenzele imina. And she chose to make me a backup dancer. Ingoma engicula kuyona engayiproducer. And she didn't even pay me the full amount. Like, what the fuck do these people think they are? Yini ngicathi umhlambo wenu mina. Laba jwayelana nabo. I want my money, bro. Leya Ferrari le drive uThokozini kwisohlala sisonke. It was bought with my money. Lezi ihlama zi-afford iFerrari. Ihlama lezi, they don't afford a Ferrari. That's why they're stealing people's money. I want my money, mina. I want everything that belongs to me to come back to me. Niyadakwa nina. Uzongiveza amavidiyo kuzongenza ngikhohle ukuthi bangikweleta. Niyahlanya nina. Lethani imali yami. Like, you think showing me on videos, dog, look. Mina lo kwivideo. Kodwa imali yami ngiyitholile. Cabanga, bra. I even hired cars for them. Amasudi abawagqokile la. I'm the one who hired. I paid for these suits. I paid for these dancers, dog. Ama-dancers agqoke mina. Badansa imidanso yami, bra. I even choreographed for them. Imali yami kodwa abafuna ukuyiletha. Bacathi le mithi yabo le ekhathele yaleza ngoma zabe ey'phophile. Izongenza ngikhohlwe. Ngiyayifuna imali yami. Mina ayikho into engiyikhohliwe. Engikhohlwe ukuthi nangikweleta. Ngiyayifuna imali yami. lokho ekuthiwa imali yase-Afra ayipheli masimba lawo lethani imali yami. Literally every song that she's singing, bruh, every song abantu abayicula from word to word, I wrote those songs, I produced those songs. Afuni ungikhokhela ucathi ungibhebhisa kuzongenza nje ngikhohlwe ukuthi ungikoleta imali engakanani. Sisi angifuni mina ukulala nawe, ngifuna imali yami. I don't give a fuck about your body. Your body is your body and my money is my money and I want it. Take his for ama dancers akhe. Lo muntu uhlule ukuthengela abadansi bakhe amateku. Kodwa kulokho ekuthiwa imali yase-Afra ayipheli. Umfazi wakho uhamba ngamajiwe khona ahambe ngemoto engaphansi kwe-1,000,000. Kodwa labantu laba banamali mase kubhekwa kahle emabhukwini. Imali zabantu zonke lezi, imoto zabantu zonke lezi. Mina I want my fucking money. I want my money, bruh. Serious ngayifuna mina imali yami. Inkomo ayibuyele esibayeni. I want my money. Captain, I wrote and produced his debut EP, who's Captain. I'm the one behind that. Son Onza. I'm the one who produced the EP, Son Onza. Ntongabafo. I'm the one who produced that. I'm the one who directed the video. And these people really think I would forget they owe me my money. Oh, with them boys, lama album abo lawa bakhipha ama-album angakhi last year. Aproduce ubani oma album. Nami ngicabanga kahle ngeke laba beproduce ingoma engakaya. Ngeke bro. They not driven like that. They not like that, dog. I really want my fucking money. I want my fucking money, bruh. Mali yami mfethu ngiyayifuna. Lokho ekuthiwa imali yase-Afra ayipheli. Ayikho imali engapheli. Ayikho imali engapheli. Thani imali yami. Oh sengikhohlewe. uBabes Odumo naye le-album yakhe Mabashing. Ngiyayifuna imali yami. Ba honest si wagcina ungikhokhela for i-cover art free. Nawe ngiyayifuna imali yami naye nimtshela. Isoft angikhokhelanga for direct video. Usimamane didn't pay me for tape work on tape le album debut album yakhe aze ngikhokhele for yona futhi. He used half of my songs nakule tape ingoma zami zonke. Soft ingoma yami yinengi with them boys azangikidnapper lezazinja lezayifuna ingoma zami behamba nani Witness Gang ngaze ngenza ingoma Des Jeva which means deja vu, which means danger. Yabo ngaze ngasizwa ama-Afrikaners cabanga ngasizwa amabhulu bro, abantu abamhlophe bengisiza kwabantu enginesikhumba esifana nabo bro, ngendlela labantu abayizinja ngayo. Ino nje enye futhi engikhohlwayo. Oh Danger we-Big Naz. Naye angikhokhelanga for i-album, angikhokhelanga for i-cover art. What else? Ino nje futhi ngikushiyayo. Ngizobuya for more mewukuthi khona ngikhohliwe. Lezi nje zingijoyela nje imali yami ngiyayifuna mina no Dabi, uDabi. Le uFather Christmas akekho. That's my song. El Chapo, Snokonoko, Stance, Tyler ICU. Bruh, ziningi ingoma zami eziphume last year engingakhokhelwanga for zona. Literally ingoma zalabantu engiyibalayo eziphume last year ezami ibhalwe yimina, iproduced yimina. Ama-video directwe yimina. Kodwa ngikhumbuli ngikhokhelwa for zona lezi zinto zo-3. Angikhumbuli ngikhokhela. So oseduze kwabo abatshela ukuthi ngiyayifuna imali yami. I really want my money. And General Smamane le album le ngisayikhumbula igama layo le last year kodwa le ine-R20 le noZunxumalo. Aze ngikhokhela imali yami, ngiyayifuna imali yami nawo Smamane. Cape Master, Camp yakithi. album yami le ibhalwe yimi producer yimina ngiyayifuna imali yami. Abaningi abantu abangikoletayo futhi lapha abanye ngibakhumbulishwa amagama yawo laba ngendlela abazinja ngazo baze bangishaya bangigcoba ngemithi bangithakatha bro ukuze bengihypnotize ngingaboni ukuthi ngisebenza nobani ubani engikhuluma naye. Kwayena lo tira wakhona naye angikhokhelanga imali yami for ama-album awu-3 awakhiphe last year, 3 ama-projects awakhiphe last year angikhokhelanga imali yami. Kunengoma engiyiproducile yathatha Song of the Year angikhokhelanga imali yami. So please ngiyayifuna imali yami, imali enjani engapheli, ngiyayifuna imali yami.